Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing good with your studies also, right? So I Neeta Singh, your science teacher, welcome you in the first video of chapter 7, that is living safely. As the last chapter, this chapter is also very easy. We are studying in the previous classes also about the safety rules. हम safety rules के बारे में previous classes में भी पढ़ते आ रहे हैं. The some more regulations or some more safety rules we will discuss in this class. Okay. So chapter 7 regarding living safely. In this chapter, we will read about some safety rules, how we can save ourselves at home, at school, at garden, and what can be the emergencies that we can face at our home, school, on the road, garden, at different places. Okay, so we will read some emergency conditions and what should be the first aid for that. कि उनके लिए फर्स्ट एड हम क्या दे सकते हैं. जैसे अगर आप घर पे हो और आपको घर पे किसी चीज़ से चोट लग जाती है तो व्हाट शुड बी द फर्स्ट एड दैट टाइम. क्या मतलब एग्जैक्ट इमीडिएट आपको क्या एक्शन लेना होता है. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस चैप्टर. In today's video we will discuss some points and in the next video we will discuss some other points and or remaining points and we will finish the chapter in the tomorrow's video. So let's start with the today's video with the first topic, that is key to safety. कि किस तरह से हमें safety रखनी चाहिए and what are the main emergencies that can happen at our home.
As our chapter told us that key to safety is presence of mind and alertness. कि हमें किस तरह से चीज़ों को लेके alert रहना चाहिए. Be alert and prepared at all places at all times. We can be alert with a blade, knife, sharpener, or we can say with the sharp objects. Be dressed in comfortable clothes which do not hamper your activeness. Always maintain peace of mind and be patient. Do not panic. Help the injured also. Like you can see in the video that what the activities should we avoid to be injured. इन सारी एक्टिविटीज़ को हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट टॉपिक वी हैव सेफ्टी इन द हाउस. कि हमें घर के अंदर कौन से रूल्स फॉलो करने चाहिए सेफ्टी के लिए. सो एज यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो दैट वी कैन गेट हर्ट विद द slippery floor, with the electric appliances, and many things can happen at house. So you have given in your book gas leak, kitchen fire, sharp objects, okay, and wet floor, electrical appliances, and medicines. So these are some topics. What might happen if someone stumbles on these? आपने कुछ चीज़ें अगर छोड़ दी हैं फ्लोर पर और किसी को उनसे चोट लग जाती है तो क्या होगा. The people can get injured. So let's discuss some points about according to your book also. As you can see, these all are harmful objects, can be harmful objects. Never leave objects like nails, scissors, toys or balls lying on the floor. And same we can use with the sharp objects also. एंड वी शुड नॉट रन ऑन द फ्लोर. आपने देखा किस तरह से वीडियो में इन चीज़ों पर हम गिर सकते हैं. नेवर हैंडल एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट विदाउट फर्स्ट स्विचिंग इट ऑफ. जब तक हम उसको ऑफ नहीं करते वी शुड नॉट यूज़ इट. नेवर गो नियर फायर अनलेस देयर इज़ एन एडल्ट प्रेजेंट. जब तक आपके साथ कोई बड़ा नहीं है आपको आग के पास, फायर के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. डू नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट योर मदर और एनी अदर पर्सन वाइल कुकिंग. अगर हमारा ज़रा सा भी ध्यान हटता है इट कैन बी समथिंग मिस हैपनिंग कैन हैपन. सो द स्टूल शुड बी ऑफ द राइट हाइट, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड स्टर्डी. कैसा होना चाहिए स्टूल जो है हमारा वो बिल्कुल स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. वाइप ऑफ द स्पिल्ड वाटर इमीडिएटली. अगर पानी फैलता है तो हमें उसे जल्दी से साफ कर देना चाहिए. सो दीज आर सम रूल्स दैट वी शुड फॉलो एट होम. Road nowadays are full of traffic. Be extra careful and alert when you are out on the road. Keep to your left while walking or cycling on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Do not ride your bicycle at a high speed. Always stick to your lane. If you need to overtake, do it from the right side only. Do not play near on the road. Use parks and playgrounds. Use zebra crossing, subway or pedestrian to overpass to cross the road. Do not get into or out of a moving bus or train. Learn the road signs and follow them. If you will follow all these things properly, definitely you will get safe at on the road. So these all the safety rules on the road you should.
So I hope you are clear with the today's topic, and today's topics what about the safety rules. And I have one question for you that you have to give answer. You have to find out the answer. You can give your answer in the doubt section. The question is,
What happens if we do not do things carefully? अगर हम चीज़ों को carefully नहीं करते हैं तो हमारे साथ क्या हो सकता है? You have to give answer in the doubt section.
I hope you will be able to find out the question. Okay, thank you.